Sebastian and Kareem both have work today, so them ask if you can be able to sit Kimberly again. I would also appreciate if you go easy upon your father, okay?
Go easy on him. He doesn't even pay me no mind. He acts like I don't even exist. He doesn't even talk to me.
So you have taken accountability, you remember say your father is not mentally well, but he's getting help now. Just give it time. Just get ready. We drop you off at house, okay?
Give it time.
Cry, cry, baby, moonshine darling. Take off your shoes and go to your bed. When I'm on you go to the Sunday school. Sing, Uncle Richard.
God, I'm so sick and tired of this.
Susie? Susie, you get biggie, man? You don't remember me? Upon me good.
Oh, your Uncle Sebastian's neighbor. Yeah, I remember you. We used to feed and dish and with your son all the time. What you doing?
Just off taking a walk. Just came back from work, Just want to take a look at breeze out. You still play football. Come, pass it to me, man. You have really strong legs. Really, really good.
So how it tastes? I'm a first time making oxtail, so go easy upon me. Plus, me never use a pressure cooker.
It's okay.
Alright, me get my plate now. You want something to drink? Oh, would you like something to eat as well?
Yeah, he wants something. I'm hungry too. Yeah, he definitely like it.
How can you even tell that?
Trust me, I know him. He likes it. Richard loves oxtail.
Not finished yet. Come on, the hot dog them ready. Twana, come eat.
I have to use the bathroom.
Both listening to me gets along very well. He really likes you a lot.
Man, why not? This guy not get weird. That Mel is over our nose. And I think he might get suspicious.
Please, if not even one under the name Egg, you may get Walla. Sometimes you might call you the wrong name. But who business about him? So we can't have a look of fun run on the back.
That not kinda risky. What if him catch we? Is you sure you want to do this? Like, me don't want to get in hot trouble or get you in hot trouble.
Long is about him. Him not gonna find way. When him asks, we'll just pretend to go to the shop.
Wait, they won't not go.
To the shop, babes. We'll soon come back, alright? I have to get something.
Wait, where's time me hearing aid?
Hi, Aunt Debbie. My favorite niece. How's everything with you? You finally come look for me. What takes so long? Shireen say you're spending time with your father. How is he doing? Him getting better? I hope you're not stressing. Him don't really talk to me. Him only talk to Kimberly. Now watch your face, man. Trust me. Him will get back to himself. But anyways, you want to get a makeover? Alright, I guess we can do it for fun. No problem. Now make it look good. Sit down, my niece. See? Much better. You finally look like a woman now. And you need to stop wearing them baseball shirt there, whatever you have on. I like the way I'm dressed. I'm not seeing an issue with it. What? You think I'm not pretty? Look, girl, stop chat madness in my ears. You can't come from my family and ugly. Nobody in our family ugly. Not a soul. You just need to fix up yourself better and stop wearing them ugly clothes there. You're a pretty girl. You need to dress better. Nobody not really see me pretty though. Them always at top. Them always compare me with Shauna. Them always talk about Shauna. Of course, them are talk about Shauna because she dress like a girl. If you have an issue with how you look, you have to change it. You can't dress like a boy unless you're a lesbian. No, I'm not a lesbian. I just feel more comfortable in the clothes I'm wear. I just always thought Shauna was more pretty than me. Susie, nothing to go so. You was a very pretty girl. Come. Me buy you some new clothes.
Oh, sorry, O'Shane, I forgot you were gonna come here. Come, let me show you the project. I'm finished now. I finished it last night. I mean, if you want to paint it, you can. It looks good, huh?
Alright, I guess.
Oh, Shane, you're here. You want to help us to cook? Also, you can stay for dinner if you want.
I mean, if it's alright with you, I have no problem for stay for dinner. I have me help on the cook.
Alright, good. It won't take long. I'm cooking fish today. Gotta make a lot so Oliver have some leftovers. When you're ready, come. Oliver, can you make O'Shane finish that, please? Oliver, you can cut up some vegetables or something. So O'Shane's out of school.
Alright, you know. Now do good at everything.
That's good. School's important.
Yeah, I know.
Is your mother calling you? Go answer the phone, man. It's alright. I can do this on my own. Thanks for mixing the butter for me. I really appreciate it. When everything is finished, I'll call you.
You're calling so much.
May we make plans? I told you him was going to take a medication today and I gave him extra dosage so you could come over and spend the night. Where are you? You're not coming again?
So I told you, I have an assignment to finish. And I really need to finish that assignment. I can't come today, I'm busy.
Minnie care what you're supposed to do. Me tell you for come today. You're supposed to come today. Now you change plans upon me again? You're not taking me seriously. I told you I need to be taken seriously.
Yeah, my teacher, you were supposed to know how seriously school is. Me can't just drop everything for you. That don't make no sense. You're the adult in this situation. If I miss any more assignments, me go fail my class system. So that you want me to fail? You can't only help me in art class, you can't help me in other classes.
Know what? Time is Friday. Me know why you come over here again. It's alright.
You're vexed, no? How you for vex? I told you I need to do this. Like, why you can't understand about that? You're the older one here. Hello? Hello?
Shane, Diana bought a bunch of donuts. Do you want some? These are really, really good.
Oliver, I think O'Shane had these already. I mean, they're only made in Jamaica.
No wonder. They're even better than Tim Hortons. Come on, O'Shane. Diana saved your food.
He's a little excited. Him really like these donuts.
When I go back to Canada, I'm gonna bring a bunch.
Alright, man. When you go up, I'm gonna send you so much stuff. Even though I like you being here, you know, I don't want you to leave.
Well, I have to leave, right? I mean, I can't live here forever.
Tell me I'm gonna miss you when you go. Susie, what the hell is that you have on? That's not the dress that I gave you the other day. What is that old granny skirt? Sharing by that fear. I'm more sharing by that fear.
Nobody feel comfortable in the clothes that you buy me, so I put this on what grandma give to me.
Susie, take that old frock off. You're blind my eye them right now. You know so that ugly. You really want to go on road in that? Tell me I try to lace up your self-esteem in Susie, and me not like that dress there. That dress there do not look good. If you want to look like a lady, put on the clothes that me gear right now.
But why you so vexed with me? I mean, why can't I just wear what I want?
Because you're my niece, and my niece can't walk up and down and look like some old granny. You're raised by a granny, that means you have to dress like one. You dress up on the bed, put it on and look like somebody, please. But I say all you need was a look fixed up and proper clothes. No, you look like you live somewhere. God, I don't know why Sherry now is about them ugly clothes there.
Yeah, you know, I actually kind of like it. You look nice.
Of course, you look nice. I'm me after all.
Oh my god.
Oh, Susie, you look very pretty. You finally look like a girl.
Very right, Rashim. She look way better, don't it? Thanks to my work. She kinda look like you when you did younger. Means she look very beautiful. When you can't stop me now, when me could a granddaughter look like a lady.
Susie, what was wrong with your look before? Like, why you change it?
Always hate everything, Grandpa. Why?
I don't hate it, it's just not you. I mean, don't you want to be yourself?
Me I talk about make it look a girl one nice look, make she look like somebody, and the two I don't have a problem with it.
Sexiness. Psst. Psst. Rasta girl, come here. Sexy. Want marry you know? Just Rastafari.
It's getting a bit late. Do you want to sleep tonight?
Oh, not really make no sense. I mean, I have to go home, man. You know, clean up on stuff. Listen, my parents are supposed to come in and make sure I'm alright, so morning for no summer do them.
Alright, if you change your mind, we're there, okay?
Why I be so nice to me for Diana? Like, what a reason?
Well, Oliver kinda told me about your living situation, and I know it's probably lonely for you. I mean, for being at the house all by yourself. I just want you to have company.
No, man, I'm cool, man. I'm so used to staying by myself, like, nothing really bother me anymore, you know? And I'm independent, so you're not horrible, me or nothing. I'm good, man. I'm good staying by myself. I'm completely alright. So go, let's get to new hits, yeah? Yeah, married or Diana?
Alright. No, so I can't have you. I ride up and down on a skateboard in the rain. Come on, stay over the night. Oh, hey, O'Shane. Do you wanna, do you want breakfast or something? Diana's not here. She went to work. But if you want something to eat,
off now, youth. Me have better things to go deal with. Big man things. You alright, Later. Alright, Millie, so Millie, catch up with some things. So why you not open the door? Why you not let me in? Yes, open the door now.
Ocean, your time up, alright? I told you I need you to be around. I didn't come through, so I'm not opening the door for you. You get replaced, which is alright. Go on, go worry about school now, alright?
What you mean replace? Where at that, boy?
Bye, Ocean. See you in school.
Because me never answer the phone. You up and find one nether youth to talk to?
Me tell you to always be available anytime I need you, and you're not available. What else you want me to do?
Miss, I wasn't available for 1 day. 1 day? And you already find a problem?
I told you how stressful my life is, and you don't care. You only care about yourself. I need company. My husband is old, and more why I don't like a look on him, and I thought you would be the person to be there for me.
Thought this was just gonna be like a play thing. You said that for yourself. You're married. So why all of a sudden you move the most here because I'm busy? You're married. Like, me a student. You know me have school and everything. I thought you would be more understanding. You're old.
Oh, now you want to come talk about my age? I'm not old.
Figure them would I find you in here. I mean, you're always in here. So, Ocean, where you been up to? Haven't seen you for a while. Oliver told me say you been over him house twice. I thought you hated him. So, why all of a suddenly you hung out with him? Get it? Diana made you feel comfortable, right? I mean, she is a sweet person. So loving and caring. So what do you think? She's gonna fill that void of you being alone? I mean, let's be for real. They're not your family, right? I mean, you're lonely. You just have to just deal with that. You can't try to make everyone feel sorry for you. You don't hate Oliver. You just bad mind him. Because him have a loving family, countless siblings, and you're just locked up in that house all by yourself. Not even your parents' business, boy. I mean, why haven't they reached back to Jamaica? Save it. I don't want you to be around Oliver anymore. I don't like your company around him. Find somebody else to fill your void, Ocean. Or you're not like it. Don't make me have to threaten you a third time.